Howdy folks, got a 2014 Limited here. Our color is Amber Whiskey Vivid Black with the red pinstripe. This 2014 has got some nice extras on it here. You can see the chrome passenger boards, air intake from Screaming Eagle. Come up front here. Good color in 2014. And swing back here, a little leathers for carrying water bottle, little extras in there. Gloss painted interfering, heated grips. Mileage is at 38,264. RC slip-ons. Tipped. This Amber Whiskey Vivid Black Electric Glide Limited is here at Vandervest Harley-Davidson, located at 1966 Velp Avenue here in Green Bay. Phone number is 920-498-8822.